If you are a music fan and love listening to music, you can't deny by the fact that MP3 downloader apps are some of the best Android apps available for the music lovers. And when we are talking about MP3 downloading apps for Android, unfortunately finding a good music downloader that's also free is very tough. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul from TechReport.com, and in this video I'll be talking about some of the best free music downloader apps. So if you want a free music downloader for your phone, keep watching this video. But before that, don't forget to check out the description below as we are running a giveaway on this channel. With that being said, let's get started. First thing first, your Android device already comes with Google Play Music app, which is the official app for music on Android. But unfortunately, it's not free. Although you can stream music or listen to downloaded music on your device using Google Play Music, yet if you want to download music and play music offline, you need to pay for Google Play Music subscription, which obviously you don't want. At least that's why you are still watching this video. And you are not alone. There are many users who don't like paying for music subscription. That's why a huge number of music downloader apps still exist on the Google Play Store. So let's see which music downloader apps are still working for free music downloads. Starting today, we have Songli app on our list, which is free Android music player app. But you can use it to download free music on Android as well. Simply search for music track you want to download and it will present you with a few options. From the search result, choose the one you want to play and it will start streaming. However, you will also get the option to download. Tap on this download icon and it will start downloading, as you can see in the notification tray. The good thing is you can leave the app and music keeps playing in the background. So obviously it's not using YouTube as source. And what I like most about Songli as a music downloader is it doesn't store downloaded music in the app itself. So you can find all the downloaded tracks in the downloads section of your device and use any music player to play those music tracks, even from Google Play Music Library. The user interface is quite good. As you can see, the app has tried itself to present similar to Spotify. But obviously it's not, as you can't find extensive database of songs like the Spotify music. But overall, it's a good music downloader that you can try. Next we have on the list is free music downloader app. And as the name suggests, it is an app that you can use for free music downloads. Choose from interesting, most recent, or featured music categories or explore music based upon the genres, artists, albums or tracks. You might encounter some ads as well. You won't find popular artists and latest albums, but it definitely has some interesting songs worth checking out. Most of the music tracks are under Creative Commons licensing, so you can download them legally for free. Simply tap on download icon and the download will start. Just like the previous music downloader app, you can play the downloaded music using any other music player, including the official Google Play Music. Next we have Drift Music, which is a cool music streaming app for Android. When you first open the app, it will ask you to select the artists you like. Once you do, hit done and it will start playing the music track. Navigations are pretty nice, as you can swipe up to play next song and swipe down for the previous song. You may also discover new songs based upon your taste and create a profile to save your music playlist and tracks. And if you are wondering whether you can play music offline, simply tap 3-dot icon and then tap download. The song will start downloading, which you can find in the My Device folder. Although it doesn't allow you to export music for playing in other music player, yet it does allow you to download music and play offline. So these were the best free music downloader apps that are still working today. In the past 10 years, I have seen many music downloader apps rising on the top in Google Play Store, and then Google removed them. Call it Google's conspiracy to remove competition for their flagship music streaming service or anything else. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to TechReport channel, as we regularly bring cool tips, tricks, tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.